Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and delete your Authy account. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video, shall we? Simply go ahead and open your Authy application and make sure that you are already logged in into your account. Once you've done that, all you need to do is simply go ahead and tap on your gear icon on the top right of your screen. And once you've done that, simply go ahead and tap on delete my Authy account and click on continue. So it's going to take you to a website right over here. As you can see, only after 30 days you will lose access to your Authy account. After 30 days, you will not be able to sign into your Authy app with your current credentials. You still have access to your Authy app until then. And then finally, it will only go ahead and delete or permanently delete all your data in 30 days. Simply go ahead and click on start deletion process. It's going to ask you for your password, enter that, and then it will be starting the process. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.